Okay, howdy y'all. I'm going to make a more condensed version of this because your time is precious. How do you get Sims 3 to run on Windows 10? You need two things. You need to install DirectX 9 and you need one CPU. Our modern processors tend to have like 24 CPUs, and I tried earlier today, even two Sims 3 will not run. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you need to do. I want you to open the link in the description. I will put it in there for you. It will bring you here. I want you to pick the language that you need. Okay, and I want you to download this file. Now, I've already downloaded it, so it's trying to download a copy. See, I have it right here. Okay. All right, then click Save. In fact, I will just do that again, and that'll sort of show you. You can click the folder here then, and it'll open it for you. Let's minimize this. Come over here. This is the one we just downloaded. Double click. Okay, you want to navigate your way to your downloads in essence. Okay, which is also here. Now minimize this. Click yes to accept the license. Now what I do is I right click on the desktop, pick new, pick folder. Name your folder whatever you want to. Sam, Fred, Jane. DX9 works for me. But y'all do what you want to. Now navigate to your folder. In this case, we put it on our desktop. We come up to the top. Desktop DX9. Okay. Click OK. And it unloads a bunch of junk in this folder. Okay. I'm not even kidding you. I want you to go down here to the dxsetup.exe. Double click it to install it. And it will install itself. Now mine's already, I can show you anyhow. Mine's already installed. Give it permission, okay? Accept the agreement. Say next. It says blah, 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 blah. You say next, and there it goes. So let's click that away. Now I'm letting it do its thing for you just to show you this is how you install the DX9, okay? And you will need that. And Windows 10 does not come with DX9, by the way, in case you were unaware of that. I think it's DX12 that it comes with. Might have DX11 as well. Okay, so there's that. Now, next step. I'm going to show you what happens to me at least when I try to run The Sims 3 without the next step limiting it to one CPU. Mine launches through EA. It doesn't really matter if you're having this issue. This will resolve it, or it should resolve it. If it doesn't, write in the comments and we'll see if we can work on that together. And every single time I come in here, it says, keep me logged in. Remember my email, keep me logged in though, and I'm not logged in. Okay, so every single time, click play. Is this happening to you? I get booted back out to the EA because EA has the launcher tied to their game. So let's relaunch the launcher, because the launcher, it's actually getting stuck where you click play at the launcher. Now what I want you to do, I want you to come over here. I want you to right click on your taskbar and pick Task Manager. Alternatively, you can also press simultaneously Control Alt and Delete. That will also open your Task Manager, okay? Now I want you to locate in your processes, I want you to locate The Sims 3, because in your details it might be, there's a lot of stuff going on in your details. So go make sure you're in the processes, locate Sims 3, right click on it, click Go to Details. Now it's highlighted over here in the details. You don't have to search for it. Here I want you to right click on it, go to Set Affinity. We see all our processors. I want you to click right here to, that actually just disables all your processors. Just click one of them. Click OK. I also, this is just an additional optional step. You don't have to take it. Right click. I go to set the priority. Now I don't use real time because if I use real time, my games tend to crash. So I pick high. What this does is allocates extra resources from your computer to that particular process, by the way. Okay, now we can just minimize that and let's go again. You'll have to do this every time you launch it, however. Not the DX9, that's done one-time thing, it's done. You have to allocate one CPU to it every time you launch it. Now, voila. Some of you may be wondering, why are we in the Sims community going back to The Sims 3? The Sims 4 has been a catastrophe from day one. It really has. They have put up packs that have been completely broken, packs that have been partially broken. They put out worlds where they wanted to charge us 50 freaking euro for the world, and the world is by and large empty. It is. It's not giving us a great deal of functionality. Some of it does give us some nice functionality, but you go in and it's like a movie set for the Wild West, where most of it's just facades. There's a lot of lots. You can't click on them. You can't go to them. People hate that it's not an open world. We were promised an open world. They hate that. But there are a lot of worlds you can travel to. But now then in Sims 3, if you have the adventures, there are also worlds you can travel to. You just can't travel to all the worlds that you have, right? What I am going to do with you, by the way, is a video showing you the things in Sims 3 that we do have in Sims 4 that we don't have in Sims 3. Okay, they kind of annoy me when I play. And then I'm going to do a vice versa on that as well. Hope that this was helpful to somebody out there. My university life was apparently the last package in the way they set this all up. I hope this is helpful. If you're having some other issue, as I've said, write it in the comments and we'll see if we can help you with that. Other than that, happy simming. Y'all take care. And by the way, I'm streaming in the evenings, 7 o'clock Central European time. I'm streaming Pillars of Eternity at the moment every evening. I would love for y'all to come and join me. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.